तो यहाँ से हमारा शुरू हो रहा है सार पास की चढ़ाई, और ये है आपका कसोल विलेज जो कि हमारा बेस कैंप है। तो चलते हैं आगे ट्रैक की तरफ, ट्रेल्स ऑफ सार पास। सो यू कैन सी amid the dense forest we are going towards SAR pass. We are heading towards the first base camp, that is Kalga Village. We are reaching our base camp, that is Mintaj, which is at the altitude of 12,000 feet. So today we covered around 10 kilometers from Grahan village to this Mintaj village. Camping view. So in between the mountains we are doing camping today at day 2, that is Mintaj. So we are going towards Nagaru village, and this is the way. Just amazing. So that will be our final base camp today. Heading towards SAR pass base camp 3, and you can see the view here. As we are going in the higher altitude, the views are getting better and better. This is the final push towards summit, and you can see the view from here. So we are currently at the altitude of around 14,000 feet, and that's our summit. We are crossing the pass now, and this is the highest peak in the region, which is about 20,000 feet. So से जाते जाते हम लोग जा रहे हैं बिस्करी की तरफ। तो आप देख सकते हो क्या सुंदरता है, एकदम लाइक इधर से हम लोग स्लाइड कर रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं अभी बेस कैंप की तरफ। D3 समिट, सार पास समिट टू डिस्करी बेस कैंप।